So just recently I dropped a studio tour where the goal was to push a bedroom setup as far as possible. There is so much useful tech packed within that stuff that I use every single day, but there's been one upgrade in particular that's made a tremendous difference, and it's probably not what you'd expect. It's not a monitor, speakers, a computer, or even a camera. For me, my favorite upgrade lately has been the G1M Max from Yesoul. To kick off the new year and as a thank you for you guys who continue to show up, support, comment, I also want to give one of these away. To enter, I encourage you to watch this video all the way through. It really does help me out a ton. And then drop a comment letting me know what your favorite feature is, how you'd use it, and the last part's not required, but if you're feeling like being awesome, make sure to drop a like down below. I do also really quickly want to give a huge thank you to Yesoul, not just for supporting the channel, but for being incredible throughout this entire process. They actually reached out back in 2024, which is a wild sentence to say out loud now that we're in 2026. They sent out not only this bike, but also a row machine to help push the health journey along. But as I've learned, along with the ups, there are downs. Really, the end of 2024 into most of 2025 was extremely challenging. So I feel like I spent most of last year just trying to play catch up. And with that, while things definitely aren't easy, there are absolutely more and more good days. So just thank you to Yesoul for the support and the patience. It's a really weird thing for your body just forgetting how to body, and things that once were normal aren't anymore. So I had to quickly realize that even though I had made progress, it wasn't going to be as fast as I hoped. During some of the worst back in 2023, because shingles had attacked multiple cranial nerves, there was tachycardia, periods where my heart rate would get locked at like 110 resting. The smallest movements like walking or truthfully just getting up would shoot it up to 160, 170. It was awful. To this date, I still don't have a great resting heart rate, so alongside posture and recovery, as I've continued to make strides, cardio has been such a huge thing for me. So my goal now is to bring that resting heart rate down, and honestly, you just feel so much better after you get some sort of exercise in. It's been a slow process. So initially when I wasn't able to do as much cardio, I think the row machine was very helpful just in terms of building strength and helping out with posture. But as I continue to make progress and really want to push things up a notch, this is where this comes in. It's packing a 21.5-inch display, which is right smack here. And what's nice is, yes, you can adjust it this way, but you can also just straight up rotate this all the way out. So in addition to your cardio and bike workouts, if you want to get some sort of strength workout in as well, you can do that too. So in the upper left-hand corner, we can get all of our stats, our speed, our cadence, our resistance, and then obviously match it alongside with what we're doing here. So it looks like we are shooting for 80 to 100 cadence still.
55 to 65 cadence. Let's slow down into a heavy climb right now. And on 45 to 55 on the resistance.
Ooh, we're cranking up the resistance.
Absolutely love this chick. What a beauty.
Even something like this right now, where posture is so important for me, to have somebody there to remind you, hey man, keep your elbows in, don't bring them out, don't screw up your posture. So that was a 15-minute workout, and you know, it's fairly cold. You know, it's California, so it's not frigid, but it's cold out, it's rainy. And not only, you know, do I feel a good sweat, a great sweat, you know, that was done in a fairly minimal amount of time. I think the biggest thing, again, to reiterate, is having the machine that you can do so for an affordable price, I think is huge, but also pairing it with just that push through someone coaching you along the way, because it's easy to kind of just go on a bike and mindlessly go for it and not really focus on that. But having someone guide you through it, especially maybe you're not feeling the best that day, it kind of pushes you over that hump and gets it in when maybe you otherwise wouldn't have. Now, one trick up Yesoul's sleeve with this bike is while you do have pretty incredible speakers coming from the display in the front, you also have speakers going towards the back, which is going to give you 360-degree sound. So having that ability just to rock out to music as loud as you want, barring the neighbors hopefully not carrying as much in your home, I think is such a cool thing to have. Now, as affordable as this G1M Max is, if you want to save even more cash, they also have a G1M Plus, which essentially is the same bike minus the 360-degree speakers. You get the same rotatable screen, the same performance, and especially if you're someone who prefers and enjoys to work out in headphones, this is an incredible value. The build quality is outstanding. From the handles to the seat, everything is adjustable so you can cater things to your preference or your comfortability. Something that I really admire with Yesoul is they're not trying to take out Peloton. So many times I've heard them compliment them. Really, they're just trying to offer something more affordable. If you take something like a Peloton bike plus a Peloton subscription and then compare it to a Yesoul bike with that same Peloton subscription, it's a pretty substantial difference. The other thing that I really like with Yesoul is while they do have their own app and fitness workouts, this works with a plethora of other apps. That's also probably the most enticing thing with this bike outside of the price point is the fact that you're not tied down to a subscription or just a Yesoul app. They encourage you to use it with others as well. You get unlimited free screen mirroring, so you just plug in your phone, which is also charging it as a bonus. And then you can use this with apps like Peloton, Zwift, or even something free on YouTube. Alternatively, maybe you don't even want to watch a video and you just want to rip to some music. You can absolutely do that as well. So hopping in, this is post-workout, but kind of walking you through some of the other benefits here because again, you save so much money with the bike. You can then put that to other pieces of tech. Something that I've really enjoyed using with Yesoul are AirPods. Yes, the speakers on this are outstanding, but I think what I particularly like in this use case is taking the heart rate sensor with the new AirPods and then implementing that into the workout. The other really super cool thing with that is because everything's integrated, I can also see my heart rate live in real time with the Peloton app. So I can see it, I can track it, and then after, even outside the Peloton app, I can track everything through the Fitness Plus and have my heart rate through the entire bike ride. The other really nice thing outside of having someone there to push you through the workout where maybe you don't have the most motivation that day, I think things you wouldn't normally think of just the resistance or changing up the speed or the pace makes such a huge difference because there are certain moments during that bike ride where you're having to increase resistance and it's just max pain. So again, with all of the cash that you're saving, going with something like a Peloton, you can throw into not just AirPods, but headphones in general, and really put maybe a budget into a home workout setup instead of just one singular thing. In terms of heart rate for this workout, I was mostly in zone 4 with bits of zone 3 and zone 5. Obviously having that information after the fact is super useful, but again, being able to see that out in front of you in real time so you know, hey, am I pushing it enough? Or maybe I'm pushing it too far. Let me dial it back down. That is where it is really, really invaluable. I would love to do this daily if I could. Maybe that's my goal for the new year in 2026. So if you guys want to join me, please do so. Aside from that, thank you very much for watching. Thank you to Yesoul for supporting the channel and helping me out with these because they're making a big impact and they're definitely helping me out. So if you guys want to jump on some special holiday pricing, I'll have those links down below. This is Jonathan, and I'll catch you guys later.